Nasa swing sila. Si Alisa tsaka si Andrew. Ang ganda rito sa totoo lang. Ang gandun. Doon sa dulo na yun, puro lavender fields. Ganda, di ba? Napaka peaceful dito. Imagine meron kang bahay sa ganitong country area. Alisa, gusto ko doon sa may lavender fields.
Yeah, get rid of the
Sige.
bag. Lose the bag.
I'll see you guys. Guys, oh. So sobrang lavender pati yung nila, mga tractor nila is lavender din. Tapos ito yung tumutubo rito na klase ng lavender na Ang laki Imagine mo. Diba? Tapos ito pala, okay. Sige, punta tayo doon. Gusto nyo?
Can I pee first?
Sige. Ito palang yan table na yan na malaki Naka-reserve pala yan. Siguro kung maraming grupo ang pupunta, no? Dadalhin namin kayo doon. Iikot namin kayo dito sa whole lavender fields.
I'm going to the bathroom. He's holding the
No, I'm
camera.
not bringing.
No.
Nako. So, itong La Maison Lavande, siya, pala to, in-establish for 15 years ago. 15 years ago, tapos meron silang 5,000 plants. 5,000 plants here sa kanilang fields. 5,000. So you can see, like naituro ko na kanina, no, itong part na yan na merong black na parang board. Naka-reserve siguro may pamilyang pupunta dyan mamaya na ni-reserve nila yung place. Tapos may mga swing din, yung mga bata po pwedeng maglaro, may playground dun sa kabila dun. Ang lawak niya, ang lawak. Talagang mag-e-enjoy ka. Kung gusto mo lang mag-unwind, pwede. Dala ka ng pagkain mo. Kahit hanggang anong oras ka rito, umuwi ka ng bandang hapon. Kung gusto mo lang mag-relax. Ang daing nagsushoot ng nila. Pamilya na yung mga bata. Meron silang kasamang photographer. Ayun Ang ganda, ang laki, ang lawak. I wonder kung gaano kalaki to. Ilang ektarya kaya to? I don't know. Mamaya, lalakarin namin yan. Pupuntahan namin yan. Dahul hanggang dun sa dulo para may pakita sa inyo. Tapos meron din silang tinatawag na bistro. Ayan yung bistro na yan. Mag-o-open mamaya ng alas 11. If I'm not mistaken, pati may mga ice cream sila na may lavender. Lavender siya. Puntahan namin mamaya yan. Sabi ko nga dun sa dalawa, sige na, kuha na ng picture habang maaga. Less pa yung tao. Baka mamaya magdatingan ng malaking maramihan. Hindi siya ganun kainit. I think it's 24 degrees. Pero hindi siya humid, may breeze. May breeze siya. So, balikan namin kayo mamaya. See you in a bit. Tindo ko nung dalawa, binalikan nila ako. Ano to? Is it? Ito may iba-ibang klase. This one here, ang tawag sa kanya is lavender melissa.
It's
Okay.
so called true lavender in terms of
Hardiness. So it's called true lavender. Melissa is a true lavender. Ayan, ang ganda Ay, nakalimutan ko yung Ning, yung
What?
yung stick.
Damn.
Yan. Sa kotse guys kasi ang tawag dito, ipinasok ko iniwan ko sa sasakyan yung jacket na dala-dala ni Alisa para less na ang hawak-hawak niya. So, balik ulit tayo. So, ganda, di ba? Like I said, meron siyang tariff. Pasok na ako rito. Sana yung dalawa. Ayun na, meron na kumuha ng spot namin. Tara guys, lakad tayo. Pakita natin sa kanila. Puno na kagad yung parking lot. Dayan ang dumating eh.
I shaved my leg, but I forgot to shave the back of my leg.
Yeah.
How's the bathroom? Was the bathroom nice?
Oo, ang ganda.
Really?
Rust,
didn't look like-
Rusty inspired.
Kind of like farm-like,
Mhm.
but then there's like flowers, like decorative like flowers.
Meron pang parang
Unisex or just like male?
No, it's not.
ayan. Andito na tayo, lalakarin natin. Tama naman yan, no? Di ba? Libutin natin yung lavender fields. Parang kami lang ang kulayan dito.
Right? It matches the vibe.
And I like the flower
Right? I got on it.
and like the pearl. You should have got like a pearl like.
I didn't buy one.
Sounds niya talaga. Makita nyo yan guys. Oh.
You made it?
While I received it.
Hanggang doon pa pala siya, oh.
It was like
Turo ko sa inyo.
This is like
Hanggang
a
doon pa siya,
family-owned
oh.
business. Is this a family-owned
I
business?
believe so, yeah. Dahil rin mga picnic tables, para puntahan mo. Bukas yung bag ko, hindi pa maayos eh. Tahan natin yan. Ay, ang ganda rin dito. Meron pa rin pala rito, oh.
Like it goes like.
You know, the worst part is Daddy would have enjoyed this.
I know.
Yeah. Gusto niya magtrabaho is okay.
He was like before today. He was like, oh yeah, we're gonna go Friday. And then like when it came to Friday, he was like, I have to go to work. It's so annoying.
Ayun na, oh. Ay, dito, Alisa. Nagpunta na kayo rito kanina?
Mommy, can you cut that out?
Alin?
He was talking.
It's okay.
Bro, Daddy's gonna watch it. He's like,
It's okay. He knows. It's okay. He wants to work.
I mean, it's true though. Like,
Ang laki, oh. Tingnan mo naman. Di ba? Oh, may swing pa. Oh, di ba? May swing pa, oh. Ang ganda siya rito. Amo, kung gusto mo mag-unwind, Alisa, pwede rito eh, no? Like, halimbawa, let's say, nakapagod na sa city, let me go somewhere where I can unwind and relax. This is the best place to be in. You know?
Also, the smell of lavender, it's like calming.
That's why it has a calming effect, right? Ilang kayang ilang hectares kaya tong lupa nila, no?
it
Kasi
said
ang
on the
laki.
paper.
No, it didn't. I didn't see it. Or does it? Tara, lakarin natin, guys. Itong buong na to, buong hour na to is for the lavender fields. Oh, ano yun? Ano yun? Is that eagle? Up there?
Oh,
Andrew.
Huh? It is an eagle, no? It's huge, oh.
yeah, it is.
Wow!
I can hear them.
It's an eagle. Laki, oh. Nakita mo yung wingspan niya? Wow! Come down, come down. Wow. Okay, let's walk, guys.
So nice to take a photo there, but
Where?
Yeah, no.
O, di tara. Dapat may tao eh, no? It's okay. There, look.
I can hear the
Pa
eagles,
pwede
like-
ka noon sa gabi, no? Yung mga pa-sunset na,
Yeah.
no? You have to go by there. Like a little bridge.
You hear
Little.
the eagles like screeching?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yun ba yun?
Yeah, it's the
Yeah,
eagle.
it's the eagle.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Ganda oh. O, di ba?
Yeah, it's really nice. See, you can hear
I
that.
wonder paanong ano no, kung ang lavender ba is perennial ba siya?
A what?
Perennial meaning to say yearly, hindi mo na kailangan itanim every single time,
No,
you
I
know?
think it said on the paper that like it's from August.
Ang ano niya and then it
Yes,
withered
yeah,
away?
Yeah, yeah.
It withers
So
away?
it's like really a summer like
Ah, okay. And then the following year it's gonna
come back June.
come back.
late
Oh, so
June,
it's
late
it's a
June to
perennial thing.
August. It's like this is like a really summer thing.
And then it's beautiful too kasi yung clouds there. It's
Yeah, I know.
parang nakisama sa atin sa labas natin yung there's Alisa taking photos of
This is white lavender.
white
Over
lavender.
there, it's. I wonder if there's green lavender, blue lavender. No, I think there's blue lavender.
No, I think there's only lavender. It comes.
It comes in white, purple.
Pero ito parang oh yeah, I thought it's lilac.
No.
Ng
It
color
comes
niya.
in
Yung pa
white. It
oh.
comes in white, purple.
Diba? Ang laki ng lupa. Yeah. What else?
In blue, I think.
Oh yeah. I'm not sure.
And green, and then.
Tignan mo yung shade nitong lavender na to. Like this shade is different from the ones there,
Yeah, it is.
right?
That's like more like light lavender, like lilac.
Parang lilac. Oh my god. Sa good thing naglagay tayo ng ating sunblock.
Yeah, I didn't put any.
Grabe hanggang dun sa dulo guys. Oh.
Like, there's even a forest.
Diba?
There's a forest.
Ang laki ng lupa nila. It's all lavender. Pero kasi naman, itong mga lavender nila rito, ginagawa nilang minamanufacture nila as perfume. Ang daing mga
Like body
products,
sprays,
you know?
like body.
mamaya pupuntahan natin yung shop nila, parang gift shop nila doon.
And Ati's gonna buy me something because she told me she was gonna buy me something if I took a photo.
So ayan, no? Diba?
What's that?
It's a lavender
Look at that.
garbage bag, garbage bin, right?
Oh, it extends like really far. Oh, she's so far away.
It's okay. So I think it's the same. Ano meron doon? Oh, ang dami. Andun pa hanggang doon. Touch it.
Can I smell the lavender?
Okay, go. Smell daw niya yung lavender. Does it smell?
There's bees.
It's gonna sting you, you know? Careful. So,
I can't really smell.
ayan, there's so much bees in there, eh? Careful. See, that's what you call pollination. What? Pollination. Ang
Let's
dami,
check from
oh.
Ate.
Grabe, ang laki ng lupa. Itong field na to. Oh, she's still there. Oh, diba?
We can play badminton here.
Ah, it's true.
Should I do a
Pwede
cartwheel?
kaya, no?
Should I
Iron.
do- should I do
Sige,
a
go, go,
cartwheel?
go.
Should I?
Mapilayan ka, ha? Oh, go.
But my hands are gonna get.
Oh, well, yeah. Okay, go. Hindi naman straight to legs mo. Ano ka ba?
My shirt is going off.
Oh.
Can I have hand sanitizer, please?
Mamaya na, nakita mo nag-ano ko.
It's a really nice feel.
Ang ganda siya. Aside from talagang ang lavender has a calming effect.
Because the smell is.
Smell yung, at saka yung, it's calm, you know?
Yeah.
Tahimik,
Yeah,
away
I-
from,
I edited that out like before. The cargo.
it's okay, sama na natin yan.
No.
Diba? Ang ganda, oh. Hanggang doon pa sa dulo na yun.
Yeah, 'cause
Diba?
it's like extends from there. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go back. Punta natin yung kabilang side. Ay, nahulog. Nahulog siya. Water. Anong oras na ba?
And it's like really breezy too.
Kaya humid, ano? Diba? Yung mga tao talaga. Yung iba nagdala ng pagkain nila eh. Well, we didn't come prepared. So, it's calm, ano? Ang sarap mag-unwind dito. Imaginein mo kung mag-spend ka rito pumunta ka rito like in the afternoon where you sunset, ano. May mga nag-yoga pala rito, may mga,
Really?
oo, dun sa ano nakasulat may mga yoga, may ibang course.
The people just like sitting and
Mhm.
relaxing.
Yeah, with their babies.
It's just a nice place to like. I thought it was more.
More what?
I don't know. I thought it was more like activities and more packed than this, but it's like more like a relaxed like place, like
Yeah,
getaway.
to
And I
unwind, you know.
thought-
But the thing too, it's only Friday, right? Probably over the weekend it's more
Oh, yeah.
busier, right?
Which is exactly why it was a perfect day to come here. Plus
Yeah.
the weather is not too hot,
Yeah,
but
it's
it's not
nice.
raining because I think tomorrow and like Sunday it's supposed to rain.
Oh, there you go.
So it's
So,
like really
it's the
is
perfect
the
day
best
to-
day to have come here.
Come here. Ang ganda, oh. Diba? Tapos yung clouds, they're all blue. You know?
The sky is blue.
The skies are
The
blue.
clouds themselves
The clouds, I'm sorry. The clouds
I'll
are
be very
blue.
concerned if the clouds themselves are blue.
No, I made a mistake. Because the lady was looking at me. Ang laki ng fields nila. Oh my gosh. So what happens when it's like winter time? Anong meron
It's
dito?
closed.
Yeah,
Maybe
but
because
what do they have here? You
I
know,
don't when
like
they start like planting.
then it's-
like, I guess that would be around like spring, or I don't know how it works if they like slowly.
but hindi ba
grow,
to perennial? I thought it's a perennial.
Because I know they
this,
recuperate all of these lavenders at like.
Well, yeah,
towards
kasi
the end.
gagawin nilang ano, di ba?
And then I don't know how they're cultivating season works.
Okay, you know what? That's a good
Maybe it starts,
idea.
like early spring.
I'm gonna have to ask the lady there in information.
And you
But
can
at least I can share facts sa mga kasama natin sa ano. Di ba? Oh, look at the golden retriever. Oh my god. Oh, they're
Oh,
allowed to
imagine-
bring a dog in here.
Imagine Star coming here, she would probably be like
Jump.
at the
No,
front.
it's just gonna jump out all the
She's
the
gonna, like, try to
lavenders.
eat the lavenders.
No.
Oh no, that's not good. But she's scared of
Oh,
wasps.
it's
eh?
true. There's so many bees here.
You know, Star was at. If you go close to it, you can hear the vibrations.
The
But you
what?
know,
For the
of
what?
the
The
bees.
bees?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
like
if you
this.
go closer.
Yeah,
to
Andrew
it,
did.
No, I did, yeah.
But you know, Star probably has a fear of like anything that flies in yellow.
Yeah. Oh, maybe
because
he
she's
got
been
stung.
attacked by wasps.
Ah, there you go. Ang cute
She was
mo,
attacked
no,
by
no.
wasps. Remember?
You know?
She was like swarmed.
She's like traumatized.
I remember she saw like
yeah,
a
she
wasp one
was,
time and she
Daddy.
got a little scared.
Yeah, when Daddy, like, he also got attacked.
Yeah, I remember. She.
The what? With what? The wasp?
Wasp. Do you remember when Star got attacked last year?
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, sanitizer.
No, I actually didn't.
I did a cartwheel.
Ay.
Mommy's not giving me.
Hey, hold on, because how can
Yes.
I wanna go in the
No,
swing.
like, I stopped it.
Yeah, I can film you being on the swing.
Ah, sige.
No,
Ano mo yan? It's a, wait.
I know how to use it.
Opportunity to give me
The wind is messing it though. I'm gonna go the other way.
I'm gonna sit here.
Balik tayo sa pagkabata. Oh, wow. Sabi lang na nakapag-swing ano, dito sa lavender field. Nice. Ooh. Alam mo, may parang mga animals dun. Puntahan natin. That's it. That's it for me.
That's
Let's
it.
ride. Thank you. Okay, let's go there.
I have to do a cartwheel. Do a backflip.
Backflip?
Mommy, do a backflip.
No.
The belly flop.
Imagine mommy doing a backflip.
Only Andrew would think those things. You know, like why?
Sometimes he thinks like the weirdest of things.
I mean, I can do
It's
it.
like not even PG-13.
Bro, what do you mean? I just asked you to do a backflip. How is that not PG-13?
Oh, look, mayroon pa mga
How's that?
picnic tables dun, oh, under the trees. So you benefit from the shade of the tree.
You know, Andrew, you would have been nice if you wore like a button up,
A what?
like anything like something.
No, because I can't use something else because this is still clean. You know what I mean? So when this gets
Ayun na, andain ng tao. Nung nag-umpisa kami. Ngayon, tignan mo.
What?
Diba? Dumami na. Doon pa pala, Alisa, oh. There's more over there.
Even if I wasn't going to like send it to the wash, I would have worn something nice for this occasion.
Hoy, tapos na kayo mag-photo-photo?
Yeah.
I think I got a lot of photos.
Let's just take a look at the... Here.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Where?
Later, son. Oh, it's a recycling, mommy.
Where?
It's trash.
Oh, teka lang muna. Let's
Yeah,
just check this one. Oh, ang ganda rin dito kasi malilim. Oh my God. See, we can sit down here too. But it's less yung lavender is here.
Yeah.
Dito. You know? 'Di ba? Gusto mo umakyat doon sa
Yeah.
Sige, punta
I guess
tayo
now we
doon.
have to sit for a few minutes.
Let's just sit a little bit, you know?
Can I, the tractor is it like,
In the event that you're curious what I'm wearing, I specifically wore
bruh,
white
this
with, like,
stuff.
Like
purple flowers.
it's like lavender flowers too.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like performative, you know, and even the flowers.
Hey, at least my fit matches the occasion.
Wow, because this is still clean. I'm not gonna wear something else and this is still clean. Ate changes her clothes like every day. Unlike me, I'm modest, I'm humble, I'm...
So much for humble, I don't believe that.
Okay, come on,
Well,
let's go.
You can't relate. I know you can't. Don't worry. Yeah, let's go on top. We can see the view, but it's made out of wood, so I can jump and it might like...
Ah, ayun ba yun sinasabi mo, Lisa? It's like a tree house?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's see. At least nakikita ni nanay yung ginagawa natin dito.
I
Right?
think I'm
You'll
the
see.
only one wearing purple in this whole place.
Hindi naman, may white naman yung kanyang ano eh. May shade lang ng
Still-
konting
still like a
purple, you know?
No, but like purple.
Ang sabi is the best color na gamitin mo is white or neutral colors daw.
Well, you don't need...
Para magte-take ka ng picture sa lavender, you know?
Not necessarily.
But then again, you can wear whatever you want, you know? It's up to you.
Your outfit looks like you're going to Greece too. It looks nice. Like white and blue.
Yeah,
Like Greek,
whatever you say, you know?
the Greek colors.
Whatever you say.
Greek representative.
You ready, ate? Come on, let's climb up the stairs.
Mommy's half Greek now.
Oh, sarap naman dito kasi
There's
yung
trees.
shade, you know?
There's trees.
Ayan, may mga tao sa taas. Ang ganda rin, ano? Akit tayo. Para makita natin overlooking ng ano. Oh my God. It's... How many feet is this? Like,
500.
you're not making any sense. Oh, wow. Dapat may table din dito eh. Ayan siya, oh. Nandito kami sa taas. This is about 25. Ma-overlook mo yung lavender field here. Ang ganda rito, no?